Hey Leo! Still want to make viral Instagram reels?
How complex is the idea?
Takes 10 minutes. You in? This TikTok video has made $27,000 and got 27 million views. And this reel on Instagram has got 3.4 million views and made over $700. And the craziest thing is that this whole account with 601,000 followers is actually AI based, and it says space transformations powered by AI. And so many of these videos get millions of views. Check this out, 16.7 million views on this reel. This whole account with 69 posts is also all made by AI. And they have a couple of reels that went absolutely ballistic, 216 million views guys, and 149 million views. TikTok and Instagram pay between $100 to about $1,000 for each 1,000 views. So this reel here with 216 million views has probably made between $20,000 and $200,000, which is just completely insane to me. I mean, this is what you can achieve these days if you know how to use AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these kind of clips, and we're going to work on this concrete bucket style of the video. Okay, so you can see what she's doing there. But basically, using the steps that I'm going to show you today, you can make any of the videos that you see on these profiles. And you know, this is a real business, guys. There are so many people that are absolutely killing it using these sorts of videos. And we're going to learn every single step of how to do this exact same thing. All right, so first of all, if you just jump over to Google and type in Instagram cement bucket or even TikTok cement bucket, you're going to find loads and loads of these accounts. It's always good to have a look at these accounts and then just kind of learn from what they're doing and how they're doing it. Now, if I wanted to create an influencer similar to this one over here, I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this influencer. And now I'm in ChatGPT. We're gonna paste this image into ChatGPT and I'm gonna give it this prompt to create the initial influencer image. All right, so ChatGPT has analyzed this image and it's given us this image over here. Pretty much as we requested, a brunette ponytail, shorts, and a white shirt. Next, let's ask ChatGPT to just create a few more reference images so that we can keep her consistent in all of our videos. We've asked to create a few more images of her for consistency, and here we go. 3/4 right, 3/4 left, side, and close-up view. These images are actually going to be extremely useful because this is going to guarantee consistency in different posts throughout our clip. So this is something that you've got to do when you're creating a character. So next, I would actually recommend for you to take screenshots of the different parts of this video, the start and end for each scene, so that you can recreate these scenes in your own project. All right, so I'm going to take a screenshot of this. So then I'm also going to take a screenshot of her dunking this towel into the concrete. So that's sort of the start of the scene, and then I'll do the end of the scene as well. All right, so let's take a screenshot of the end of the scene as well. And you're just going to work through the rest of the video and do this scene by scene. Okay, so you can see here, I've attached all of the screenshots and I've attached the descriptions of each of the scene, and I've asked ChatGPT to give me the start of scene and end of scene images, and let's see what it gets us. Now let's go to Google Flow. Just type in Google Flow into Google search and sign up. And inside Google Flow, let's upload all 5 images, and I want you to type in this prompt to actually create the influencer. There you go. Here we've got the version of what she would look like. If you're not happy, you can just click reroll and it will redo it for you. In the meantime, let's have a look inside our ChatGPT, and you can see that it's going through and creating all the start and end images for each of the scenes. So for example, here is one where she starts mixing the cement, and this is one where she ends mixing the cement. Here is the one where she starts dunking the towel, and here is the one where she takes it out. See, the towel is now covered in concrete, and so on. So here are all the different images, all the different parts are here. She's plotting down this, painting it, and then she's putting the soil in, then she's planting the tree. So ChatGPT is going through and creating everything for us, which is great. All right, guys, now with Google Flow, it gives you 250 Google Flow credits on a daily basis right now. So let's take a look at how many clips you can generate. I've actually asked it, and if you use the OmniFlash pricing, then you can generate a 4-second clip for just 7 credits, okay? So with 250 credits, you can generate about 30 clips, which means that you can generate one whole clip or one whole reel per day, which is great because it means that you can do this for free. All right, so I'm telling it now for clip 1, Emma mixing the concrete in a pink bucket, and you can read the rest of the script here. I'm gonna attach draft before and after images. Important, let's click on the settings over here, and you want to make sure that you're doing 9 to 16. Make sure you click always before generating because that'll give you more control from any unwanted credit spend. And down here, choose OmniFlash because yes, you can use VO 3.1, but that's going to be more expensive, and OmniFlash is actually quite good and it will save you credits as well. So now with each of these, just click copy and go back into Google Flow, and you can see here that we're gonna attach before and after images to give it an idea of what we want. All right, so here is the full prompt that I'm gonna submit. Let's go with clip 1. It's going to give you this warning, which is completely okay. Just tell it to use OmniFlash. Our clip is now being generated over here. All right, guys, so we've got our clip and it also includes the actual sound effects. This is really wild. Check this out. I'm just going to play this. Hopefully you can hear it. This looks so real, and the sound effects of the birds and also the concrete mixing, I mean, this is pretty cool, and I got it right on the first time, which is amazing. All right, so this is gonna be the prompt that we do for the second clip. Let's call it clip 2. Okay, you can read the prompt over here. I've just changed it a little bit. Basically, you're gonna go through and do the same for each of the clips, each of the scenes. By the way, since it's quite painful to type these prompts for Google Flow, and ChatGPT already has all of our information, we can just ask ChatGPT for this. You can say, give me the prompts to generate each scene in Google Flow, because it already has all the information about all the scenes. Okay, so we can just save a bit of time that way. Okay, guys, and our scene 2 is ready. Check this out. It's pretty cool. Okay, so you could hear the concrete dripping, which is amazing, but I'm just not happy because the concrete hasn't fully covered the towel, so I'm just gonna get it to regenerate with a slightly amended prompt. All right, and here we go. So let's just check this. Okay, and here we go. We've got all the scenes descriptions here that ChatGPT has produced for us. ChatGPT kind of knows how Google Flow works, so it's actually really good at describing everything in a lot of detail. All right, there we go. We've got it. Okay, so there is something that we can probably work around. It didn't generate perfectly, but you can just keep regenerating. But basically what you can do is, like, she's starting to dunk it. Okay, and then I'll show you how in the editing software, we just make a cut from this to this, that she's taking it out. And that will make it look like she's already dunked it and she's just taking it out, which is gonna look completely fine because that's how a lot of these clips are made. All right, so that's the next scene here, ready? Okay, so that's her putting it on the bucket. Then I'm just gonna do the same basically with every single one. So that's it drying from this to this. Okay, and that's it drying here. So I have repeated this process a few times, and you can see here the result of the last little while that I've been generating and regenerating these images. I have had to do a couple of generations for some of them. That's just to be expected with AI. You can't get it perfect, but it is very important to make sure that you do the before and after images, and that the before and after images have the background completely matched. So for example, this is the before image, this is the after image. You can see that the background behind Emma is more or less consistent, because in the initial images that I had, that ChatGPT gave me, we had this. See, so the background here is not quite consistent. So there is some stuff that's at the back, some furniture that is not there, and then all of a sudden it appears. And of course, this throws things off. It results in some weird generations like this. See, now like it just appears out of nowhere, and that just does not look good. You obviously don't want that to happen. So if you see this, you just need to go back to ChatGPT and ask it to regenerate those images for that scene, making sure that the background is perfectly matched. Okay, because then it gave me these two images. See how everything is just matched perfectly, and that produces a much better outcome on the next regeneration. We get this. Okay, so obviously that's a lot better because there are no sudden movements and it just all looks much more natural and much more logical. So you just need to download all these final clips. So for each of them, just click download. And by the way, I've only used 136 credits out of my 250 daily credits, and that is completely free. So that's awesome. I mean, this is a great way to make at least one reel per day for free. Okay, so now you need to go through and just download the clips that you liked. So go ahead, click download. Then you can go to canva.com and I'll show you how to edit your video here for free in Canva. So here you can choose TikTok video and you can drag and drop all of your scenes over here into the timeline. And you can drag and drop these clips to arrange them, and then you may need to do just some minor edits. So for example, here, I'll play you this. You will see that we will need to just cut out a small bit. See how the way that this becomes fully covered with concrete is just not completely logical. So you either regenerate this until you get it right, or if you don't have credits or for whatever other reason, you can basically just go in here, and when she dunks it, if you right click on the video here, you'll get this command split, or you can just use the shortcut S on your keyboard. And then we'll just drag this a little bit until we kind of see her lifting it out all covered, and we split here. And we just cut out this middle bit because then it just becomes kind of like a jump cut, I think they call it in video editing. So let's just play this again. Okay, see, it basically just kind of jumps to that last outcome, which is fine. So you can do those edits over here throughout your whole video. Okay, so I think we're good to go. Let's just do a full preview of this, and I'm gonna enable the sound. Hopefully you can hear everything okay. Very cool. Guys, I mean, this is pretty amazing. This didn't take very long to do, and you see the result. If you put in a little bit of effort, you can get amazing results for free. So how do you make money from this? Well, of course, you upload those to Instagram or TikTok, and Instagram has got a creators bonus program. From time to time, it changes the name. So just Google creators bonus program, and basically you can get rewards for just people watching your content. People are earning decent money with Instagram bonuses. You can see there are lots of reports. This is one that they're currently getting 1,200 to 1,500 every 2 weeks. Now you can take this same video and you can upload it to your TikTok account. TikTok also pays really well. Actually, TikTok payouts are even higher. You can get up to $1,000 per 1,000 qualified views. If you do some product placements, for example, you take a product for a company and you place it somewhere within your video, you can see that the estimates for that, even with just 100,000 views per reel, you can get about 750 to 2,500 US per sponsored reel. Now, this is serious money. Imagine if you were getting 1 million views per reel. And I've shown you lots of accounts that do this, guys. I mean, go and do the research the way that I showed you to do. You'll see that there are lots and lots of accounts that are getting hundreds of thousands and even millions of views per reel. And I've shown you the exact way that you can start doing this for free. You don't need to pay editors. You don't need to buy any software. I've literally just shown you how you can get started for free and do this. And for one more way to earn with AI generated short form video, go ahead and watch this video next. I'll show you my own proof on exactly how I make money using these short form videos. So watch this next. I'll see you in the next video.